Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Camaro. For the month of August, Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $3,300 in savings on this specific vehicle. This is a front-wheel drive Camaro that comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and 18-inch custom aluminum wheels. Now, when we do get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have Bose speakers throughout the entire vehicle. Black and gray cloth seating. It does have a sunroof. And when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.